Good afternoon, everyone. This is Louis Sportslino with ManOverMarket.com with our Wednesday, August 13th update for E-mini trading today. Blah, 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 blah. That's just the way I feel. Once again, we had a very low volume rally. You can see prior to the market at 7:45, our proprietary pivot was long. It was taken out and it went short. And the market opening, it opened around 1937, rallied up here to 39.5, kind of tested the pivot, broke down to the low, which was 34, then came back and just stayed around here at 1936 half to 1937. 36 half yesterday was yesterday's high, and then basically spent the rest of the afternoon rallying. We took the pivot out here at 1940 half, went up and made a high of 1945. In our pre-market comments, if you go on the manovermarket.com site, we talked about these levels 42, we talked about 46, and 1952. As you can see, we reached R1. That's calculated over, that's just not rocket science. Everyone's got this number, right? And then we also went up to R2, which was 42 half. R3 was 49, was up here. Uh, not a very volatile day. What do we have, like about 1,100 point range? Also, an important thing that I want to point out is that the shaded area is value. We stayed above value all day, and that means the market value will be going up tomorrow. So that's also indicative, showing that the market's in an uptrend. This little indicator shows total volume on the NY total volume composite of all the indexes, and that line is 80%. That blue line is 50%, and the red line is 20%. Shows that this market stayed in a continuous buy mode all day and stayed between 72% here at the high. I think it went down here at the low, maybe here around 63%. Blah, blah, blah. More of the same. Institutional fund managers taking all your hard earned money, your 401k money, and buying equities. I hope they're good at picking them. Also, another thing we want to point out, if we go to a daily chart, so this is the day, July 31st, when we had our big down day. You can see the high of that day was 1964, or I'm sorry, 1965, almost 1966. That's where the market went down and we retraced. We made the low here. And now we're back there, 1945. So we're basically 2,000 points away from where from going back and eradicating that big correction that we had. So technically, the market still is bearish until we take this out, technically. So just thought I'd point that out to you. Sorry if I sound a little mundane and so on, but um, days like today are not fun to trade. I mean, there's just not much to do. Not much to do. All right, so remember, our service is free, manovermarket.com. Register, and you will get our research, you'll get our trade alerts, and you'll get our constant updates throughout the day. Also, not only do we do this for the ES, we do it for the 30-year bond. We give you research on the gold. We give you research on the crude oil and the T-notes. So you get a chance, go and register. It is free. You can't beat the price. And I think we're doing a good job. So if you have any questions, email them at support@manover.com. That's support@manover.com. And if there's other things you'd like to see or have any other questions, uh, please submit them to support@manovermarket.com, and I'll try to make a video or show something that I can explain, how we get to where we're at. Everybody have a good night and good luck and happy trading. Talk to you later.